How to fix thanks for providing your info on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. When Instagram displays the message thanks for providing your info, it usually means your account has been temporarily locked for review due to suspicious activity or violation of Instagram's terms of service. This is a security measure to protect your account. This review process may take several hours or even days, during which you won't have access to your account. Some of the steps to fix this issue is wait for Instagram's review process. It could be 24 hours to 48 hours or sometimes longer. Unfortunately, during this time, there's no way to expedite the process. Next is you have to check your mail for Instagram updates. It could send you emails requesting the additional information such as verification. So follow the instructions provided in the email carefully. Instagram may also ask you to submit a photo of yourself holding a sign with a specific code. After this, you can try logging in again after a few hours. However, if nothing works, the solution would be reporting the problem to Instagram. Once you report the problem, you will get a help from the Instagram support service. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.